Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Notion for college students. Notion is an incredibly powerful tool to streamline your academic life, helping you manage everything from notes to assignments. First, you will create a new workspace, which is your central hub. Then, personalize it with a unique name and icon to make it truly yours, setting the stage for an organized semester. Next, let's organize your academics. Dedicate a separate page for each course, acting as a central repository for all related information. Implement a robust assignment tracker using a database, ensuring you never miss a deadline. This system will help you manage dozens of assignments across 5 or 6 classes, keeping everything clear and accessible. Now, let's boost your personal productivity and planning. Create a dynamic weekly planner to visualize your entire schedule, balancing academics with personal life. You can also manage various extracurricular activities and personal projects, keeping all your commitments in one place. Consider adding a habit tracker to build positive routines, like studying for 2 hours daily. Finally, explore some advanced tips and integrations. Leverage linked databases to see your assignments across different courses in one view, offering powerful insights. Integrate Notion with other essential tools, like your calendar, for seamless scheduling. For group projects, easily share pages with classmates, enabling real-time collaboration and efficient teamwork, making your college experience smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.